Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to CLO 3D, and in today's video, we are going to create a basic t-shirt pattern block, super fast and easy. I will show you how. First, we'll go to the menu, click on that, and then select pattern drafter. And we are going to click on t-shirt here, then select a set in. By default, we have the general window pops up. We are going to change that to simple. And there are a couple of things I want to do here. So here right now, by default, we have high point shoulder length. This is how we measure our shirt. For example, if I change it to center back, look at this yellow line here. If you measure your garment from the center back, you want to select center back. In this case, I'm going to select high point shoulder because this is how I measure my garment. I measure from the high point shoulder. And we're going to change the length here to 62. Then press on return enter on the keyboard to confirm. Then we also want to change the sleeve length here as well. Let's change that to 22. And then press on return enter on the keyboard to confirm. Down here, I'm going to click on create. And here we go. I'm going to zoom out and then click one right here and then place that pattern right there. Next, let's close this window for now. And as you can see right here, guys, we not only create a basic t-shirt pattern block, we also have these patterns sewn together. So next, let's simulate. I'm going to press on the spacebar or click on the simulation button here to simulate. So next, I'm going to stop the simulation. Simply press on the spacebar here. And as you can see right here, guys, we have the perfect pattern block that ready to use.